Protecting your plants from strong winds is essential to prevent damage and promote healthy growth. Here are some effective strategies you can implement. Select wind-resistant plants. Choose plants that are naturally adapted to windy conditions. Look for species with flexible stems and leaves that can sway with the wind without breaking. Plant windbreaks. Create barriers to deflect and reduce the force of strong winds. Fences, hedges, trellises, or walls can act as windbreaks and provide shelter for your plants. Stake and support. Use stakes, cages, or other supports to help plants remain upright. This is particularly important for tall or top-heavy plants that are prone to bending or snapping. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of your plants to protect the soil from erosion caused by wind. Mulch also helps maintain soil moisture and temperature. Regularly prune your plants to remove dead, weak, or excess growth. This improves the overall structure and reduces the risk of branches breaking off during strong winds. Group planting. Planting in clusters can create a microclimate that offers some protection from the wind. Plants can support each other and lessen the impact of strong gusts. Temporary windbreaks. Use lightweight fabrics like or shade cloth to temporarily shield plants from wind. Secure the fabric to stakes to prevent damage. Watering. Keep your plants well hydrated as properly watered. Plants are often more flexible and better equipped to endure wind stress. Container plants. If you have potted plants, move them to a more sheltered location during windy periods or cluster them together to provide mutual support. Choose sheltered locations when planting. Consider the layout of your garden and position plants in naturally sheltered areas, such as near walls or buildings. Monitor weather conditions. Stay informed about upcoming weather forecasts, especially windy days. Take proactive measures to secure or protect your plants if severe winds are predicted. Windbreaks with plants. Plant dense, wind-resistant shrubs or trees around the perimeter of your garden to create a natural windbreak. Trellises and netting. Install trellises or netting to act as a physical barrier against strong winds. These structures can diffuse the force of the wind and protect your plants. Secure loose items. Remove or secure any loose objects or garden decorations that could become projectiles during strong winds and cause damage to your plants. Regular maintenance. Keep your garden well maintained by removing dead or damaged branches and regularly checking supports and structures for stability. Remember that the level of protection needed may vary, depending on your specific plants, garden layout, and the severity of the wind in your area. Adjust these strategies accordingly to ensure your plants remain healthy and resilient in the face of strong winds.